In AutoCAD, you can use layouts to create drawing sheets that display scaled views of your model in an area you can customize for printing. In addition to a view or views of your model space, you can also add any tables, notes, dimensions, or title blocks to your layouts that will be included in your finished drawing. Multiple layouts can also be created, each with their own page setup menu, which can be used to change the size, appearance, and format of the paper space to be printed. You can use several methods to create a new layout or copy an existing layout. Two quick ways to create layouts include creating a layout using the Layout command and choosing New, or right-clicking a Layout tab and choosing New Layout to create a layout. To quickly copy a layout, you can right-click a Layout tab and select Move or Copy. Then simply choose the Create a Copy checkbox option before hitting OK to copy your layout. You can also create a new layout by copying an existing layout from a different drawing or an AutoCAD template file. To do this, simply right-click a Layout tab and select From Template option. Then choose the file type, a .dwt, DWG, or DXF, and browse to the file you'd like to copy a layout from. Each layout in your drawing can be modified using its own page setup that controls the format, size, and settings for how a drawing will look when printed. To access the Page Setup Manager of a layout, you can use the Page Setup command, or right-click on the layout and choose the Page Setup Manager option. From the manager, simply select Modify to access the available settings. Once in the Page Setup dialog box, you are able to change a number of options, including the paper size, printer options, plot style, color options, orientation, and plot scale, to name a few. After you've made your changes in the Page Setup options, simply hit OK to apply them to the selected layout. When setting up your layout, you can try adding a title block to give more details about your project, as well as give it a more professional look. Title blocks can be created from scratch or imported in a variety of ways, including from a drawing template, a block, or from an existing older drawing. Some standard title blocks are included with AutoCAD and can be found in the Templates folder, like this one here, and imported into your drawing. Once you've created and set up a layout, you can create a viewport or viewports to display your model design at different scales, views, and angles within it. To create a new viewport, you can use the Viewports command and choose from a variety of standard viewport options, including single, 2, and 3 viewports in various orientations, or you can make custom viewports in different shapes and locations using the Layout ribbon tab. Using these methods, you can create viewports to show your entire design or separate details of the design at different scales and angles. Viewports can be made using a variety of objects, including polygons, rectangles, or circles, and can also use the View Cube to modify or change the desired view. Once your viewports have been created, you can use the Properties menu to adjust settings, including annotative and standard scales, visual styles, transparency, and the very useful Display Lock option.